New Hightower. And I think he's got this thing dialed. What do you guys think?
It's all right.
It's got some decent specs going on here. Are those carbon wheels?
Yeah.
You even have them weighted too. What is this? Come on, is it perfectly balanced or what?
It is perfectly balanced.
Oh God. What heads are those?
E13.
Oh, nice. They sound pretty good.
No wheel hop, nothing.
Yeah. And first time on wireless, so literally just 2 cables. That is the prettiest looking sight.
As clean as you can get.
Wow.
And it's got the bore sprung valve in it and everything.
Oh, no kidding.
Straight from the tuner. So like right now, like, I mean,
it's pretty supple.
It's pretty stiff. Like the rear is.
Oh, dude, I like the thickness of those grips too.
They're the thick ones.
That's
and then,
like a perfect thickness.
Go like this.
And they
like
move.
Grab it and.
Oh Jesus, that is weird.
You notice it when you do that, but when you.
What? That's freaky. It's like throttle.
But the thing is, you don't really think about it. Like, grab the bar and do that.
Yeah.
Your skin does it on its own.
Yeah. I'm
So
just so used to having my fingers like locked into like one spot,
but the thing is, they still are. Just what happens is on the trail, a little bit of the vibration is just like it's just lost a little bit in that because the grip itself isn't touching the bar.
Right. So it's suspended.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Nice.
Red.
Oh no, there's a spot of mud.
What?
There's a spot of mud. With how nice these turns are though, there's not gonna be too much mud. You wanna do that little flowy one to warm up on?
Do a different one to warm up?
Probably, yeah, like one of the first ones.
Yeah, sure, I'll go behind you on those.
Okay. Yeah, how's that?
That was good. I definitely feel, just short of bottoming.
No way. Nice. Too bad I'm scared. And I'm just trying not to get hurt too.
Yeah.
I don't need shit.
Stay within your comfort zone.
Yeah, totally. I did it. Oh, yay. I got one more jump. I did it. I did the third one.
You did?
Yeah. Damn, man. I did it! No way! That's awesome. Maybe a different trail, like an easy trail. Wow.
I mean, you can try one, yeah, one of the flow ones.
Sweet. Oh, it's not a, it's electric. Wow.
I'm not noticing the oval like I did at the parking lot of Austin.
Yeah, on climbs, that's where it kind of comes alive. It's like, okay. Wow.
It feels less, like,
Shifting is so fast. Dude, the shifting is so fast.
I know.
Just like that, man.
It's never like having to adjust. It's just right in the first perfect gear every time.
Is it? Yeah, seriously. Thing pedals really well. Just like that. But a little stiffer, actually. The way you have it set up.
That's the thing, is because that shock is a lot stiffer, it's really good pedaling. And it feels really good on this like hard pack stuff.
Huh. Yeah, the fork's plenty supple. It feels good. And then you can kind of probably push into it in berms. Oh yeah, it's pretty stiff. Feels good.
Your brakes feel so high compared to mine.
Oh yeah, I like that for the steep stuff. Oh man, these are nice.
The grips are...
Everything, the turning, everything's stable. Can we go straight?
Yeah.
I love this trail. Wow, thing is set up way stiffer than mine. Wow.
One of those corners, I just came in and just cut it super short and just...
That's sick. Dude, that's fun.
What do you think?
It's so stiff and fast, and it's a cool bike. It's like a weapon.
But once I put that new air can on, it's going to be more supple.
Yeah.
Which I think is the only thing it needs.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to do the one on the right?
Yeah, maybe I'll go in front of you, do the one on the right, and you'll just pass me on the main line. For sure. Nice.
I cased the last one because my feet came off the pedals in midair.
Yeah, I think I got most of it. Okay. I'm on a squeaky bike. Squeak, squeak. Little tiny micro shifts. Wow, this thing rallies. It's playful. Very playful.
Honestly,
Yeah.
the more I'm getting used to this oval ring, it feels like I'm riding an e-bike. Like, it feels like you're getting a little bit of assistance into the pedal once you push in.
Like it's extra sprinty. Yeah. That's what I get. Oh, I forgot about the grips again. There they are.
You don't notice them until you notice them.
Right. Wow. This thing feels more like the tall boy. Like it's super rigid feeling.
It feels like I'm driving a boat. Like not from like.
Just not as responsive.
Well, the suspension is just so flat.
Yeah.
Like it feels like my downhill bike.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this thing feels like a hardtail. Like there is no suspension. That's just a tune setup though, right?
Yeah, it's got like a race tune.
Because it does chatter a little bit. Ooh. Nice. Super precise.
This thing makes me want a price line every day.
Dude, this is a knife precise. Like this is how the tall boy felt to me. The tall boy that I tested when I demoed didn't feel anything like this.
It just felt like it, but with like more forgiveness.
It just felt overly plush and soft.
The tall boy did?
Like it felt softer than my bike. No, the Hightower.
Oh.
But this feels more like how the tall boy was that I rode, because I rode them back to back.
Just super precise and like
super precise and like a hardtail. Like there's give there when you need it, but you don't really feel the suspension doing much. It's so stiff.
But then you realize that you used like almost all the suspension on a run.
Right, like I have no idea where that was, but yeah. Woo! All right, sharp turn. Oh, they fixed it. Nice. Big hook. How's that?
That was sick, except I got your message about the jump
The hook?
too late.
Yeah.
So I thought it was a drop, so I just kind of like lightly went off and I landed like
into the case. Yeah, me too. Well, this trail keeps going if you want to keep ripping.
Yeah.
All right. That's a wrap. Nice, man. Good ride.